Do you want to transform your old low frame rate videos into high frame rate? If yes, follow this tutorial. First of all, open your browser, search for flowframes, and open the first website. This tool is completely free and open source. There are more tools on the market. Some of them are free and some are paid, but this one is my favorite. Click this button to start downloading. If you want to help them, you can donate here. Click here to open download page. Click the download to start downloading. Now just install the setup. Leave the default options. It will automatically detect your GPU and install important files. It will take 1 or 2 hours to install. If you have electricity issues, don't worry, it will continue where you left it. I will skip this part. Now click Next to run the application. This is the main interface of this tool. When you run this tool for the first time, it will download some files. Then, when you run it again, it will work normally and won't download anything else. So, this is complete. Now, I will import the video from here. I am using this video as an example. And from here, you can set the output location. So, as you can see here, it is written 24 FPS, which is the base FPS rate of our original video. Now, I want 120 FPS, so I will set the frame interpolation to 5 times. Now, our work is done up to this point. We don't need to worry about anything else or make further adjustments because this tool has configured everything automatically. Now click and interpolate to start the process. And I forgot to mention that the first time this tool downloads certain files. However, the next time you input a video, it won't do that again. If you have a good GPU, it will quickly get your work done. Now, let's wait. And after that, we'll see the difference in the video between low frame rate and high frame rate.